Hi lovelies! So I mentioned before I was going to do a little separate video for my nail art concept sheets, just to sort of little show you how they work, right? So this is the stencils bit. So you can make your own gel stickers here. You can either use this section like I'm showing you now. I'm using just some silicone nail jewel forms. Like a couple of quid on Amazon. Or, you can just use the shapes that I've drawn and coloured, whatnot, as sort of like inspiration for your nail designs and whatever you like sort of thing. But yeah, this is the one, this is how you could use it for an actual stencil. So as you can see through the silicone nail form that I'm using. So I'm just going to show you how to do like this bee. Now I've used gel paint for this black, but then for the yellow I use normal gel polish. So I'm pretty sure either can be used if you don't have a lot of gel paint. So yeah, I'm just going around the outline. This sort of allows you to do nail art ahead of time. Maybe you want to sit down like on an evening and not do your full nails if you're doing press-ons, but you want to do the stickers ready for the nails, or like you've got actual clients, you can do the stickers ahead of time. But this is just one part of how these nail art concept sheets work. So this is just one of my spring sections. So like this was oh god, I can't remember what it was called. It was at the beginning. Spring courtyard, possibly, maybe. So I've got like the colour palette at the top, and then like some inspo picks underneath, and then yeah, you've got the stencils here that we're using, and then like for each theme I've done like 6 hand-drawn designs, like already sort of done for you, like if you want to use them, like what am I trying to say, or like take inspiration for them and like alter them, whatever. Or just like, you're sick of scrolling on Pinterest all the time for like ideas and stuff. I sort of like wanted to have everything in like one section. So yeah, one page. Sorry, I just got a text and it distracted me completely. Yeah, I just wanted to have everything on like one page, but like I wanted like different sort of themes. So like there's like I don't know if I did 9 or 10 for this spring expansion pack. So there's like all this that's on this page, like another 10 times, like different themes, different colour palettes, different inspo picks, like it's like full nail art concept sheet, like to speed up your designs, like beat the creative block sort of thing. I feel like it's a good idea, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think it's good or not. Like, these are available in my Shopify now. I'm currently working on my summer pack. That'll probably be out at the beginning of June. I think that's going to have about 12 different sheets. I also have like a monthly nail art one, so the one for like all the months of the year. So now I can just see I've cured it, and I'm literally just lifting it off. Like, obviously, if you've got delicate bits, it does take a little bit of time to get it off the little nail form and whatnot. Just because I've got these little fragile wings and, like, the little bee sting. You just lift it off and pop it on your nail. Pretty much simple as, really. How to make your own gel stickers. Woohoo! Hope everybody is doing well. I know I haven't been super active on here. It's been a bit of a whirlwind at the minute. Absolute madness, to be honest. Yeah. So, yeah, hope you like this video. Hope you found it useful. I'll leave a link below as well to my nail art sheets if you're interested. Yeah, just going to pop it on the nail. I actually found it was easier. I was going to press it down with the silicone tool, but I actually just found it easier to press down with the nails, and there we have it. Literally, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.